take these broken wings and learn to fly again, learn to live so free. When we hear the voices sing, the book of love will open and let us in.
Yeah, look, I'm the dirt with no heart, leave dude in the dirt when I spark. I'm the guy leaving burn marks on the earth when I walk. I'm your deepest issue, with the inner button my demonic will get you. You be hollis when I rip it out of your chest and feed it to you. My broken wings are both really horrid. I use your corpse to paint the floor red. Scripts will hit you so hard I'll leave permanent keyboard and ditches on your forehead. Leave your jugular vein pouring 60 spits raw matter, then make your skull splatter. I cut your stomach open and night pick kidney stones from your gallbladder. I spray verbal clips sporadically, chasing slaying you tragically. Punch will hit you so hard your tongues will get ejected out your anal cavity. In battle actually, you'll get rattled just for engaging the fight. You speak my name like 60 seconds ain't all I need to bring the end of your life. I'm extending you right, I'll leave your cerebellum torn apart with pliers. D-Tricks laying so many hits you swear my name was Mark McGuire.
Your life makes you pissed off and tired, well then fam, preach to the choir. Because with scorch arms I've been reaching through the fire. Even though my journey has just begun to unfold, many more miles to go, wind blowing so cold, feet deep in the snow with a broken soul and a torn heart that's froze, and wings that move too fucking damn slow. Definition, a rapper trying to find himself. It's kinda hard when no one's willing to help, but fuck it, I'll just do it myself. But once I got older and much fucking stronger, I felt angel winds guide me through all the smoke and debris and help me see much clearly. For real, call it true, call it change as long as you call it real. Because I got the eye of the tiger and the heart of steel. If y'all willing to follow me, because with the pen in my hand I make blood spill. It just goes to show you I don't need a record deal to have everyone to vibe to this like a construction drill. For real, you dig me dog, because my words will take you into a life trance like Biggie Smalls.